Won't let you. Never.
It's only a matter of time now, little bird. Only a matter of time.
You're not getting out, Father. I have the will to do what must be done.
Impudent daughter. If you die, I am trapped in this hell. Free me. Remember what I told you. Release me, or I will kill the boy.